Was that whole jar
I might
on the
do
burger?
a burger challenge after this challenge.
Yeah, if you're up for it. I bet JC would do it.
Okay, guys. Well, it is hot though, so don't go off my reaction because I'm dumb and I stay in a bad neighborhood, so you got to keep a mean mug face. So I should play poker, because
All right, guys, we are at one of my favorite places, Jimmy Pepper's. I've actually only ever eaten at their food truck, but today Brandon, the garbage disposal clerk, and I are going to the Jimmy Pepper's restaurant so that we can try on their Colossal Jimmy Challenge, which is 2 loaded grilled cheese sandwiches, chili gravy spuds, garlic spuds, and there's Brandon. Hello! Garlic spuds, fried mac and cheese bites, and fried cheesecake, which sounds amazing. All right, let's go in. It's a Scoville burger challenge.
Patty on the bottom with a regular patty on top, and then it's just both of them are just covered.
So this whole thing.
Yep.
This whole thing, and he actually gave me a lot in here. It's not like the challenge that it's not like the challenge that I had with the 5 dots of the end, but this is his. What is it called again?
It's called no sauce because you're supposed to say no sauce.
Why do they call it no sauce?
Because you're supposed to say no when they ask you if you want to try it.
No, oh, I get it now. Okay,
Yeah.
so no sauce. Okay, that's what this means. And I have nothing to eat today because I was going to do this challenge. So it's not. I wouldn't recommend doing this without. Yeah. Stay right
You want me to
here for
stand right
yeah,
here?
I'm like
Okay.
getting dizzy. It doesn't take much. That's what she said. Oh, yeah. Hold on. This is going to be great. Okay.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah. Here's a free show and a dinner. Free show. Well, not free dinner. All right.
You're gonna love it.
Let me make sure this call's not stopping my phone because somebody just wants to call right when I'm doing this. Okay. Okay. No sauce.
This is the sauce that's on the Scoville burger. How's it taste?
I don't know yet, but I'm being stupid before I even taste it.
Yeah.
Get it all. The whole thing. All right. I gotta wait a little while because it's not really right now. It's like another 7 seconds, they say. So, I don't know. I think the end sauce is probably a little hot.
Is it?
It hasn't hit you yet. No, it hasn't. Probably tomorrow.
Or later today?
The other end. No, it is hot though. I'm dumb.
Right. Yeah. My guess is around 2 million.
Yeah.
So we make my normal barbecue sauce is a habanero heat barbecue sauce. When I make a batch of the no sauce, I add 60 ghost peppers, 180 Carolina Reapers, and 20 grams of 16.1 million calories.
Wow, I stopped at 180 Carolina Reapers.
Right.
Okay, do you need me to say anything like, hey?
Sure. Hey, I'm Katie Prettyman. I'm here with Brandon, the garbage disposal clerk, and it's too hard to get him in there, but we've got a newcomer, Ricky, who's joining us today. My buddy JC over here put this challenge together for us. Thank you so much, JC. And we've got about 30 minutes to do this. We've got 2 everything but the kitchen sink grilled cheese sandwiches. We've got gravy covered potatoes, we've got chili covered potatoes, we have garlic potatoes, we have fried cheesecake, and we have mac and cheese bites. And That's it.
Breathe. That's a
Yeah.
lot. And what is the sauce? Is this hot
It's
or
a
no?
cherry.
So that's cherry chipotle
Cherry
only.
chipotle.
The other one, the darker one, is a habanero heat barbecue sauce. So it's spicy, but it's not terribly spicy.
Okay. Okay. I like it.
You like it?
I was gonna say that's what she said, but I didn't. But I just did.
You did.
All right, are we ready?
I think so.
Okay, whenever you want to do 1, 2, 3, or whatever.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
All right. That was good.
I can't believe you get this for free if you eat it. This is good. I want to talk to see how good it is, but man. Oh man, I got a letter. No cheating.
It's like my favorite part of the grilled cheese.
Oh yeah.
The burnt cheese? Yeah. Oh, wow. Where I put my fork.
So this baby for last.
Oh, that's so good.
And the garlic potatoes, I really don't know what I'm in.
You've already put quite a big dent in that in 4 minutes.
That's an intimidating amount of potatoes.
Yeah, garlic potatoes. All the salt one tastes good though. All the gravy and the garlic.
Holy moly.
That gave me less, I think. I'm taking that Ricky.
I see why they call him the human garbage disposal.
Guys, this is like a bib too if you order a shirt from me in the description. It wipes right off.
That's true.
Had to get some advertising in.
You got any more hoodies?
Huh? Oh, I got hoodie. A small to 5X. Well, 3X. You only wear like a medium, right?
Yeah. Good call. I just finally got to me.
Yeah.
It's actually. Well, you know, I did this spicy challenge figuring that nobody would ever eat a burger that spicy. And everybody's been doing it. So I wanted to make sure it's actually a challenge.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It is a loaded grilled, no, it's a grilled cheese with like a bunch of barbecue on it.
So it's two everything with the kitchen sink grilled cheese. Everything with the kitchen sink grilled cheese has sausage, Italian sausage, chorizo, seasoned chicken breast, and jalapeno cured bacon in it with 4 different cheeses on Fran's grapeseed bread. And we use those as the buns for a Big Jimmy sandwich. So the brisket in between the 2 grilled cheeses.
How was that?
It's delicious.
You've had that before, haven't you?
Mm-mm.
No.
Mm-mm. It's amazing.
I don't put things on my menu that aren't good. It just like ruins the whole thing.
I'll probably get this.
Yeah.
I'll say an hour.
Huh?
I'll say an hour for Earthlings.
Yeah?
I don't know where you put all those frickin' potatoes.
Put the food in my mouth is. I hid it in the flour over here.
I think you're gonna need
You
a
better
bigger
check that
flour
poinsettia.
pot.
That's what?
You better check that poinsettia.
Well, you know, I don't know where it came, I still don't know where it came from.
It's a potato.
Somebody
potato.
randomly came and dropped off the flour.
Weird.
Potatoes.
Poinsettia.
No, a potato. I can't even say the whole word. I'm not trying to make up. Potato setup.
The customer on here says they normally get 1 order of spuds with gravy and they bring it home and throw an egg on it and eat it for breakfast for days.
I did
How big's
not
the
know what I
egg?
was getting into.
How big's the egg?
Awesome. Emu egg.
Are you live right now? You live?
Yeah.
Oh, can you show my card? Can you put my card up for me? Like right in front of there, say, hey, that idiot from St. Louis did that.
This is the guy right here.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh, she's in Nathan's Hot Dog League. Joey Chestnut, she's in that league. So Katie Prettyman, aka Beyond Seattle Eats on YouTube.
This is the fried cheesecake. This is what I was most excited for. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Whew.
Looks like we're over halfway on the time now.
Yep, 17:08.
So good.
I'm gonna need like 4 to-go boxes.
Yeah.
That's if you do 30 minutes. Good?
I'm good, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this, Brandon.
I'm not gonna be able to help you out.
No, you don't need to. You do you. You got this. I'm just gonna keep trucking along.
You should know they've done a lot of potatoes. Just look at them stacks of potatoes over there.
Mm-hmm.
Look at potato. Potato bread?
No, it's great seed bread.
Okay.
It's the competition for the Dave's Killer Bread Good Seed.
I don't blame you.
My husband already left, guys. He gave up on me.
Wow.
No, he had to go pick up my
You're right
son.
home?
He had to pick up my son. I have a car here. But I don't think he wanted to watch this.
I got the food truck park to the
You're right. You're right.
Okay.
That's where I'm from. We say wow like that. It's an instigator. It's an instigator thing.
Really, for me, I still got
Wow.
some pigs. I'm not bringing out supplies every day.
Okay.
And it doesn't go anywhere anymore. Nope.
Okay.
I'm looking at a place up in Marysville right now.
Throwing in the towel there.
Alright.
Oh, Richard's gone.
I'm done. Throwing the towel in there? Yeah, I can't eat anymore. I'm gonna explode. That sandwich was delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Amazing.
So you can take it here?
Yeah.
That's
Just
great.
to go watch it. Your burrito eating days are over.
I don't know if this is an exceptionally huge.
Yeah.
Well, I grew up like right down the street. There's a place called Mr. Bill's. And
Uh-huh.
back then it was $25 for the cheeseburger.
Yeah, oh.
But I mean, the cheeseburger was as big as those trays. And
Yeah.
they did the same challenge. They have pictures all over the wall of everybody trying to find it.
What is the name of the
Eat
place?
it. Mr. Bill's. There's actually 4 of them, all within the close area. Last one I think shut down in 2002 or 2003, but yeah, I grew up looking at those pictures, and the burger was about that big.
Yeah.
You had to order it like 5 days in advance.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Did you try it yourself?
Huh?
The special blend time.
The only time we ever did it is like a bunch of us would go in on it, and we'd split it up like it was a pizza. But yeah,
But that doesn't count for the contest.
no, it doesn't. The one in the mall, I don't think they actually did it as a contest. They used to do it when they had their standalone ones. But the one in the mall, I don't know if they did a contest. I can't remember. Because they didn't have the pictures of the one in the mall that I can remember.
There's a similar burger in Nanaimo, BC. It's called a K2 burger. It's giant size. People usually go and try it.
Dude, I was, dude, that was.
Right.
But there have been people who try to eat it individually. Nobody's ever succeeded. Like Randy Santel, he went there this summer. He just missed it by like 1 or 2 bites.
Oh, no.
That's what sucks.
Where is that at?
Nanaimo.
Oh, in Nanaimo?
Yeah, what do you call it? Monster?
So, guys, Nanaimo is an island in British Columbia, just north of here. They're really famous for the Nanaimo bars, which are coconut chocolate and
Yeah, it's cream inside.
yeah, they're
Speaking of 1 or
amazing.
2 bites, he's getting down
Sorry
there.
that I let you down.
Yeah.
Shirt today.
I knew I wasn't gonna keep up with him.
Down to the deep fried cheesecake.
At least you're gonna get my money, JC.
Oh yeah, guys, I don't shoot. I don't
Yeah,
shoot
that was
on Wednesdays.
impressive. Like, I look over when I finish my sandwich and it's like,
I dropped the onion. Okay. Somebody was going to remember that on my video
February.
that I dropped it. You lost. You didn't eat that onion.
Cheater.
Yes, we.
This is a good switch up at the end.
Yeah, no problem.
Is that a blackberry?
Berry. Yeah.
Just a berry?
Yeah.
They actually come in berry, lemon, peach, and.
Oh, we got the pick.
Huh?
We got the pick.
No, we only do it at random. We don't-
Oh, I like peach.
Whatever happens to be in that order.
Oh, just a mystery, huh?
Yeah.
Dang it,
You don't even
I
know what
keep
flavor
eating
it is till you bite into it.
I keep eating until I get the peach.
Right?
But very much.
I think the camera cut off, so I was just saying that I'm tapping out, so you didn't miss anything. Not cheating. Yeah.
I was
We've
gonna help. I can't even help her. It was a lot
We've
of
got 7 minutes left. JC's letting the alarm go because there's no way. He said the scale goes up to 5 pounds, and
We're over
this tapped
that.
out. That's got to be like 4 pounds of potatoes right there. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye. I'm Katie Prettyman, the world's okayest eater, and that was the Jimmy's Colossal Challenge.